Doom scrolling through Indeed. Stop. There's a reason you're not getting any interviews. The job market is oversaturated with applicants. If you're not being intentional with your job search, you're going to get lost in the crowd. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a 5-step strategy on how to get a job that will make your hunt more precise and more intentional. You can also download the full detailed checklist through the link in the description. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear targets. Most job seekers dive straight into their job search without clearly setting goals for themselves. Without a clear direction for your job search, it's easy to get lost. Start by figuring out what matters most to you. A specific job title you're aiming for, skills you want to use more, or a field you'd like to dig into. If you're blanking, that's fine. Start with what you know about yourself. What previous jobs or projects did you enjoy the most? What accomplishments are you most proud of? Or what do people tend to ask you for help with? Use your answers to put together a short list of potential job titles that you want to aim for. Step 2. Build your pipeline. Job boards like LinkedIn and Indeed host millions of active job listings at any given time. And that means that finding a role can actually be very difficult. To stay focused, you need to tighten your scope by searching for job titles from the list you made earlier and focusing on listings that are fresh or highly relevant. Here's 3 tips that can really help you with that. Tip 1. Filter your searches. Job listings are way more time sensitive than you think. 41% of all applications are received within the first 48 hours, and 56% arrive during the first 4 days. So you should set up a filter for jobs that were posted recently, because those are the jobs you're most likely to get noticed for. Most boards will allow you to filter for the last 24 hours. Tip 2, set up job alerts so you can get new roles sent straight to your inbox as they're listed. Setting up an alert is easy on any job board. To make sure your updates are relevant and useful, I recommend adding a skill to your job title. You should also be setting your updates to daily, not weekly, so you can get word of new opportunities right as they're posted. Tip 3. Use niche job boards. Niche job boards eliminate the noise of general purpose job boards. Because there's less bloat, you're able to find more specialized roles and smaller employers that might have exactly what you're looking for, but lack the visibility to stand out on LinkedIn or Indeed. We've actually put together a master list of the best niche job boards for every industry that you can check out if you're not sure where to start. Link is in the description. Step 3. Get a head start on your resume. You've probably heard that you need to tailor your resume for each job you apply for. That's true. But if you've ever tried writing a new resume from scratch every time you apply for a job, you'll know that it's not exactly the most time-efficient solution, unless you have a master resume. A master resume is a massive document that covers all your achievements. Rather than writing your resume from scratch, you build out this one mother document that you can then tweak and tailor to individual roles. I broke down how to write and use a master resume in one of my other videos, so you can check that out for the specifics. But here are a couple of takeaways that will help you out with your current job search. First, reverse engineer 3 to 5 real job postings that you found. Pull the skills, qualifications, and phrases from the roles you might actually apply for. This will give you structure and make it easier to tailor your resume to specific roles. Last, run your resume through a checker to make sure that the formatting and keyword choice is optimal for your target role. I'll link a free tool you can use in the description box. Step 4, boost your visibility to recruiters. Remember, you're not just out there looking for jobs. Recruiters are also looking for you. Around 1 in 3 employers say social media is their most effective tool for finding new hires. Optimize your professional profiles for the recruiter view. When recruiters run a search, they evaluate candidates based on a few key data points: your current job title, current company, location, and demonstrated job experience. Your profile should include a keyword-rich headline that has your role title, specialty or niche, and a value statement. Step 5. Preempt the common interview questions. You can take a lot of the stress out of interview preparation by prepping the main questions you know you'll be asked in any job interview. I'm talking about stuff like, tell me about yourself. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Why do you want to work here? Do you have any questions for me? Stuff like that. I can guarantee you that these will come up in any interview. You should spend 30 minutes prepping the types of questions employers will always ask. For each question, you should list out a key takeaway and an example or supporting point that makes your answer credible. You can watch our complete interview preparation playlist for ideas of what to say. All right, guys, don't forget to download the full job hunt checklist from the link below and use it to put your best foot forward in your job search. Take care and good luck with your job applications. Bye-bye.
you.